Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna unbox brand new smartwatch from Boat, which is Boat Xtend. It has 4.3 cm full touch display. Also support Amazon Alexa. This side of the box some specifications are given, you can check it. There is some Alexa command given. And this all from the box. Now let's open it. Let's see what's inside the box. Along with the watch we got a cable and some documentation. We got USB to magnetic type charger. Keep this all aside. First of all, you need to download this app from Play Store or App Store. Open the app and accept necessary things it required. And this is the app interface from where you can control your watch. Now connect to your watch. Now you can see the name of the watch. This means it's successfully connected. Now press the side button to start the watch. Left to find step counting, then BPM, pace monitoring, and there is some sports mode given, you can check it. And a blood oxygen monitoring system. At last you will find Alexa, and by single tapping the button you will also find some apps here. So now test the BPM. It is showing more or less accurate. Now measuring stress. Now let's test the oxygen level. Now let's test the Alexa. Alexa, what is the weather now? It's working perfectly. And you can also change the watch faces like this, and also you can change the watch faces from your app. I will show you later. There are lots of watch faces available. You can download it and enjoy. Watch quality is very good. It has polycarbonate body with silicone strap. Sensors and charging ports are given in this back side. Also with a microphone for Alexa. And you can get this amazing smartwatch under 3000. Now let's see how the charger works. Also shows the incoming call 3 seconds before the phone. You can directly reject the call from your watch. So shows the WhatsApp message and other text messages, and from other notification from other social medias. Guys, how's the unboxing video? Hope you have liked this video. So subscribe the channel and stay tuned and support us.